Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about PM-VBRY scheme. So this is a new scheme, and whenever you log in into PF portal, suddenly you will get this screen. Means other screen like return filing, adding employee, that screen will not available. So you will get this screen, and how to register is that what this schemes talk about. So that only we are going to discuss in this video. And in our channel we talks about labor law related and taxation related. So if you are someone new to our channel, kindly subscribe it, and also join our Telegram group for more updates related to taxation and labor law. And also we conduct some session related to PF, ESI, income tax, GST, TDS kind of thing. So those update we will share in our Telegram group. So kindly join that also. So once you log in into your PF portal, you will get an option with GST and without GST. Means you want to register this scheme with GST or without GST. So if you select yes, here they will ask you the GST number, then bank detail, and few parts automatically it will come. The PAN number, the mobile number, email ID, and client name. Then GST number you have to give, bank detail you have to give, and click on confirm. Now here people face many issue, like say suppose GST number, whatever the GST number you given, you register for as a service provider, and here in when you apply the PF registration, at that time if you given a manufacturer, so that categories get different, so that issue will come. So for that you have to go to the modify establishment detail, and there you can update your category also. So how to do that also we will discuss. But before that, before applying this, what is this scheme also you need to understand. So if you go to the PF portal, so there is few short detail is that who is covered under this. See, this scheme is beneficial for employee and employer. How, that we will explain. But first, who is eligible? Any employees who join, not any employee, new employee who don't have the UN number, and you given a job to that person. So his gross salary is less than 1 lakh rupee. So you generated a new UN for this person, and his gross salary is less than 1 lakh rupee. And this is a means you should be registered under the PF portal, and the employee should be 18 to 54. If it is more than 54, then he will not eligible. He should be Indian resident, and his Aadhaar should be linked with bank. Yeah. Fine. So what is the benefit? The first time who join your organization. Now why this scheme government launched? Because government want that there are many unemployment is there in India. So government want that you should recruit some freshers, new joiner also, and in India the employment will increase. So for that purpose this scheme they launch. Now if any new joiner joining, he will get a 15,000 rupees in first year, and not in one shot. 7,500 they will pay the employee directly to their bank account once they completed 6 months. Yeah, and after that once they complete 6 months, they have to give they have to go through one training that government will announce, and once they gone through that also, then they will get a extra 7,500. So first year they will get a 15,000 rupees as a benefit for the first time joiner. Now what employer will get benefit? There is a breakup is there, means 1,000 to 3,000 rupees, depend on the salary of this employee. If it is a 10,000, 1,000 rupees. If it is 30,000, 3,000 rupees. Employer will get benefit when they get 7,500. Once they complete 6 months, at that time employer also will get this benefit. So this scheme is started from 1st August 2025, and it will be end in July 2027. So next 2 years when you join any new joiner, you will get this benefit. Yeah. So definitely for employees this is benefit, but for employer one more responsibility is there. Say suppose this guy got 7,500 rupees after 6 months. He has to complete 1 year at least in your company. Now he quit job. So this 7,500 is the responsibility of employer. So this only one disadvantage is there for the employer. He has to recover from those employee, and he has to submit to government. Now how they will come to know? Once you exit the UN number from your portal, department will come to know. Yeah. So this is about this scheme, nothing more about that one. Now let's discuss how to register this one. So once you click, if you have a GST number, you can select that one. If you don't have GST, select this option, and they are asking the reason. So select any other reason, give the bank detail. Now say suppose your name mismatch, So that also will happen. No, in PF portal you give one Yadav Balaji, and in your GST portal is Krishnan Yadav Balaji. So there is a name different. So so if you read this entire note, you will come to know. So the name also should be matched, and the service category also need to be matched. Then only it will allow to submit, or otherwise you will face an issue. Now say suppose any correction is required, so you can go to the modify establishment detail, and there you can update, but unfortunately it will take some time to get update there. And form 5A also you can update. So separate video is there about form 5A establishment, then how to register e-signer. So that everything we have separate video in our YouTube channel, you can watch that also. Fine. For this respective employee, we will update the UN number, bank detail, confirm, and finally you have to select this option and click on submit. So that's it. So once you submit, this scheme is eligible for this employee, and whenever he add any new employee in the portal, he will get that benefit. Benefit of 1,000 to 3,000 rupees. He will get a benefit once the employee cross 6 months or 1 year. Fine. So let me update this one, and after that we'll show you. And what data will reflect in modify establishment. Form 5A, it's simple, means the ownership detail will be there, nothing else. Now if anything you want to correct in form 5A, you have to update in modify establishment detail only. And to submit this modify establishment detail, you require the DSC. If you don't register your DSC, then first you have to register DSC. So it's everything is in loop only. Yeah. So fine, let me update this one and we'll check it out. So we updated the GST number, bank detail, everything, and finally just click on submit here. So are you sure you want to part B scheme? Fine, okay. And if any data mismatch is there, system will give one pop-up error, and if data or everything is matching, it will be just submit successfully. So here detail has been saved successfully. So GST verification is pending, and bank detail, establishment bank detail verification is pending. Both the status is showing pending. Maybe from department side they will review and they will approve it one. Fine. So before we submit, here also we require the DSC or e-sign. Now how to register DSC and e-sign, you can watch video available in my English or also in Tamil channel also. And now let me first insert the DSC, and after that I can approve it. So if I click on DSC, no, so if you are using any kind of e-signer guys, so it will simply keep on loading. So we are using one Zorki app, this Zorki extension, and there will be a Zorki app also here. So how to install this one, this also we talked in our DSC part, so you can check that also. Fine. So simply click on DSC. Now instead of this phishing, so you will get it through directly Zorki kind of thing. So Zorki app we are using, maybe for you it's showing kind of black color. So simply click on sign in, and there they are asking the token password. Simply type the token password whatever you set. Yeah, sign DSC sign got successfully. So click on OK. It's loading. Yeah, so automatically got log out. So again we'll log in and we'll check what is the status they updated. Now we simply log in. Now can you see, means the registration screen is went off. So simply directly this screen is coming. Now I can see all the data. Fine. So if you go at the end, and you can see her registration tab, PM-VBRY scheme. So simply click on part B registration. So employer part is that. Now it's pending for verification purpose. So the acknowledgement number is there, bank detail, bank verification also in process, and GST verification is pending. So department side they will review. So nature of business is manufacturing. So this part only is showing NA, and remaining everything is correct. Fine. You can change your bank. You can view this also. Fine. So hope you got, means what is PM-VBRY scheme, and what are the benefits, what are the employer responsibility. So that also you hope you got the point. And if you are new someone to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the YouTube channel also, and kindly join our Telegram group also. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.